Writing a resume involves showcasing your skills, qualifications, and experience in a concise and compelling manner. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to write an effective resume. Choose the right format. There are 3 common resume formats: chronological, functional, and combination. The chronological format focuses on your work history, the functional format emphasizes skills and achievements, and the combination format combines elements of both. Select the format that best suits your experience and career goals. Include your contact information, place your name, phone number, email address, and optionally, your professional social media profiles, such as LinkedIn, at the top of the resume. Write a compelling summary or objective statement. This section provides a brief overview of your skills, experience, and career goals. Tailor it to the specific job you are applying for, highlighting relevant qualifications. Highlight your key skills. Create a section that lists your most relevant skills. Include both hard skills, technical abilities, and soft skills, interpersonal and transferable skills. Showcase your work experience. List your previous work experiences in reverse chronological order. Include the company name, job title, dates of employment, and a concise description of your responsibilities and achievements. Quantify your accomplishments wherever possible, using numbers and percentages to demonstrate the impact of your work. Emphasize your education. Mention your educational background, including degrees earned, institutions attended, and relevant certifications or courses. If you have limited work experience, place this section before the work experience section. Include additional sections. Depending on your circumstances, you may want to include additional sections such as certifications and professional development. Highlight any relevant certifications or training you have received. Projects or portfolio. If applicable, showcase specific projects or a portfolio of your work. Volunteer experience. Include any volunteer work that is relevant to the position or demonstrates valuable skills. Languages or technical skills. List any additional languages or technical skills that are relevant to the job. Tailor your resume for each application. Customize your resume to align with the requirements and keywords mentioned in the job description. Highlight the skills and experiences most relevant to the position you are applying for. Use action verbs and concise language. Begin bullet points describing your work experience with action verbs to convey a sense of achievement and impact. Keep sentences and bullet points concise and specific. Proofread and edit. Review your resume for errors in grammar, spelling, and formatting. Ensure consistency in font, formatting, and bullet points. Ask someone else to proofread it as well to catch any mistakes you may have missed. Save and submit your resume. Save your resume as a PDF file to preserve the formatting and send it electronically to prospective employers. Be sure to follow any specific submission instructions provided by the employer. Remember, a resume is a marketing document designed to highlight your qualifications. Tailor it to each job application and make sure it presents you in the best possible light. Good luck.